So a lot of people is afraid to cook a big piece of meat, so don't be intimidated. You just have to follow a few simple tips and techniques and you will achieve a perfect roast at the end of the day. So later on, I'm going to show you how to cook a 150 days grain-fed Australian beef turkey steak style. The first thing is to get the meat out from the chiller and let it come to room temperature. So why is it important to let the meat come to room temperature? So that the meat will cook more evenly and faster, and at the same time you won't want cold spot in your meat when you finish cooking. So the next step is to season your beef. Today I'm going to season the beef with only olive oil and sea salt. If you're not sure, just use half teaspoon to 1 kilo of meat. So it's okay to under-season your beef than over-season. If you under-season your beef, you can always add salt and sauce when you finish cooking your meat. But if you over-season, the meat will be very salty and you cannot do anything later on. You can use a meat thermometer and insert it closer to the bone if you have a bone-in steak. And if you don't have a bone-in steak, just insert it in the middle where the meat is the thickest. If you want your steak to be medium rare, it will be at 52 degrees, or if you want it to be a medium, it will be at 57 degrees. Once you have determined your beef to be at your correct temperature, so you just take a foil and just cover up it loosely and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes in a warm area. It's very important to let the meat rest so that the juice will redistribute and the meat will be juicier and tastier. If you don't let the meat rest, once you slice the beef, it will be bloody and it won't be so presentable on the plate itself. So the next tip is to slice the beef. Use a sharp knife to slice against the beef. Cut it at 1 inch thick so that you can actually taste the beef. What you have leftover beef, you can always use it to make sandwiches, salad or soup. And if you have bones, you can always use it to make stock or sauce for your beef. If you have any leftover, if you want to use it for the next day, just keep it chilled in your chiller. So if you want to freeze it, you can always freeze it in your freezer for food safety. Then over here at the Carvery, we serve it with Yorkshire pudding. And you can have some grilled vegetables to go along, such as yellow squash, baby carrot and broccoli. Besides having grilled vegetables, actually you can have some acidic salad to go along so that it cuts the fattiness of the beef. What you won't want to do is to have a sauce that's too overpowering. So I would suggest a light veal roux will be ideal and maybe some sea salt at the end of the meal.